Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. So to log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo, first thing first, make sure that you already have a pre-existing online banking account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your online banking account. Now to log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo, you can either use the application and log in from your PC or a computer or a desktop through a web browser. So I'm going to be showing you how you can log in from your web browser. If you're using your mobile phone, then the procedure is similar. All you have to do is install this application on your mobile phone. So to begin with, first of all, open up a browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.wellsfargo.com. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and on this interface, you'll be able to see a list of information regarding the particular bank account. And on this interface, you'll be able to see the information regarding this particular bank. So there are different types of accounts available on Wells Fargo. As you can see right on top, there are a list of tabs. So from the list, you'll need to select the particular type of bank account that you wish to log in for. You'll need to select the account type accordingly. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. Now to begin with, in the left hand side bar, you can see there is a login field. If you don't have an account, then you can click on the enroll button located right at the bottom. And as soon as you click on it, you'll begin with the enrollment process. And then to log in into your account, you'll need to provide in your username and a password. Click on the sign up button right at the bottom. After that, if the information provided is valid, then you'll successfully log in into your account. But if you've provided incorrect or invalid information, then you'll be asked to recheck the information. After trying for several times, then you can simply click on the link that is forgot username or password, and then you'll be instructed on how you can recover your account. In this way, you can log in into your Wells Fargo online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.